It looks yummy, so let's try. Oh, this is good. Swimming lesson day 2, and I'm so disappointed in myself. Like, it's just crazy. I'm so disappointed in myself. Like, I going backwards. Like, come on. As well, the water have to be nice and seasoned. We're boiling the beef ribs so it could get tender. Then hey guys, welcome back. I'm on my lunch break. I'm having Wendy's. I got some nuggets and salad, side salad, so that's what I'm gonna be having. I'll show you guys in a minute. But I want to try this Wendy's item with you. This is a new item on their menu. I think this is the strawberry Frosty. If I get the correct name, I'll put it up. But look how pretty this looks. Looks really beautiful. And on the top it has a bunch of white chocolate. I thought it was marshmallow at first, but I think it's white chocolate. So oh, it just looks yummy. It looks yummy, so let's try. I actually stumbled up on this because I actually order a smoothie, the wildberry iced tea smoothie, but they didn't have any, so they asked me if I want to try this new smoothie, and I'm like, yeah. How do you guys eat your smoothie? It's definitely white chocolate drops. So cute. Oh, this is good. It's thick, so you can barely get it out the straw, but it's really good because I'm getting some of the syrup from here. Oh, it's good. I'll definitely get this again. It's really good, guys. It tastes good. I think I'm gonna use my spoon to just eat it. I'll wait till it loosen up a bit so I could use the straw, but it's really good. I'll definitely get this again, guys. It's good. It tastes good. And the white chocolate, I got another one. Wendy's did good with this. Yeah, I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10. Anyways, let me eat my Wendy's. I got my salad. I'm gonna put it in a bigger bowl because I don't have time for this small bowl. No. They still gave me the wrong salad. What happened to these people? I think this is Caesar salad. I wanted garden salad. Anyway. We got the salad. Then we're gonna add the nuggets to it. Just a 5-piece nugget. And they gave me the wrong sauce. They didn't even ask me what kind of sauce I want. What happened to these people today? I normally get the spicy sauce. The spicy Wendy sauce that comes in the yellow package. let me show you how my salad look anyways. This is how she looks. The lettuce, the onion and cheese are on the bottom, I think, and the tomato, yeah, because I dump it in, but I don't normally use this, so I'm gonna see how it tastes. Anyways, let me go enjoy my lunch. I'll talk to you guys in a few. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday, March 22nd. I think it's the 22nd, but I'm feeling cute. That Friday glow, yes, it's making me feel like I want to keep this hair in a bit longer, but I was gonna take it out this weekend. I need to take it out. My hair need to wash. I need to take it out, wash it, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. That's why I have this in so long. But I just came from the arbor. I'm at the arbor. I'm at Potterski Dock picking up another package that my mom sent from Freeport. And as I pulled up, I got a call, and it was mailboat reminding me to pick up my package. They don't normally do that, but it's because it's a freezer item, so I guess they give you a chance to get it same day since it's a freezer item, and they don't want it to, you know, go bad. So that's really good. That's good. Appreciate it. But I'm gonna head back to work now. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. It's another Sunday, so you know what that means. It's a swim lesson day, and I'm excited to go do my second day in learn to swim. Please don't mind how I look, because I loosed the braids out yesterday and I was going to wash it, but I'm going in the pool today, so it didn't make sense. I would have to wash it yesterday and wash it today again when I get home from the pool, so no. I'm ready to go. I have my towel, I have my swim cap, so yeah, let's go do this. Hey guys, I still look a hot mess, but that's not the point. Just finished swimming lesson day 2, and I'm so disappointed in myself. Like, it's just crazy. I'm so disappointed. I feel like I'm regressing instead of progressing. Like, I'm going backwards. Like, come on. I don't know what's going on today. It rained over the weekend, and like a lot of rain because we had like a mini storm. But anyways, the pool is filled now. You know, when it rained, the pool get extra full. So I think that mentally messed with my head. So I was off mentally all through my session today. It was just crazy. I was thinking too much. The water was so high. I feel like, you know, we're practicing how to swim with the kickboard and like move your hand, turn your head to the side and take a breath, and then go back in with your arms. But child, I have a problem moving my hand, putting my head to the side to take a breath in a couple seconds and go back underneath. I have a problem with that. Like, I don't want to go back under. So I staying on top with the with the kickboard and just swimming. But we're practicing the motion and I ain't getting the motion. So the lady who's the next adult that's in the learn to swim class, she's getting it. She's doing so good. She's doing amazing. Okay, coordination down. Ooh, I just dropped in a pothole. That's horrible. Am I tired in also? God, I'm frustrated. Okay. Anyways, the lady, she's doing awesome. Breathing on point, coordination on point. She's just doing good. So next week she's gonna move on to doing it without the kickboard. Guess who we ain't moving on? Okay, I ain't moving on because I still need more practice with the kickboard until I get more comfortable with the movement bread and then go back on doing it to the next side. I need more practice. So next week I'm gonna get more practice with that while she moves on. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. You know, everybody is not gonna learn at the same pace. So we're gonna get it. But I'm just disappointed in myself. Anyways, I'm done ranting. But we're going to do it. Just do it. Okay? Even when it get hard, it get frustrating, it get annoying, you get like, oh my god, it's not working out. I don't want to do this anymore. This is annoying. Just, you know, just keep going. You're gonna get better. If you keep going, you can only get better. You can't get worse. Okay? Yeah. So yeah. That wraps up day 2 of my swimming lesson. Okay guys, here are some clips of this week's
get your entire leg moving.
And as you can see, my legs are so straight. The instructor is trying to tell me to put more movement in the leg. I don't know what I'm doing here, okay? And this is where I need to remove one hand and take a breathe, but I'm definitely off. And I really forget to kick. Like, what am I doing right here? I'm so glad these are recorded so I could see the dumbness that I've been doing. It's like once I get off the wall, I forget to kick and forget to do what I need to do. Like, my mind got the best of me today. Like, look at me not moving. My leg isn't going up and down. It's out, like, wide open, doing the most. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. But this is how it's supposed to look. Look at her just go. Okay? And look at me over there. I don't know, guys. I really don't know what to say.
Stretch it out.
I was just off this week. Next week, definitely going to be better. I don't know. I really don't know. But she's doing so good. Like, look at her go. Look at her go. Yeah, guys. See you guys in the next clip. Okay, guys. On the menu today, we're cooking some beef ribs. And what I did was season the water. Season it with complete garlic powder, salt. I drop a Maggi chicken season in there. And scotch bonnet pepper, of course. Pimento. And thyme, and I put onion in it as well. The water have to be nice and seasoned. We're boiling the beef ribs so it could get tender. Then we're gonna make the sauce, bake it, put it in the oven. Yummy. Okay, it's nice and tender, already falling off the bone. So now we're gonna get it ready to go in the oven. I already started with the sauce, barbecue sauce, ketchup, seasoning, pepper, thyme, onion, garlic. Yeah. So I go ahead and add some of the water from the pot to the sauce. Then we're just gonna pour it over the ribs and stick it in the oven so it could finish up. This is not red. I don't know why it's showing up red on the camera. Nice and tender, fall off the bone. Ooh.
Get